me look
Do you know why you're
hiccuping?
hiccuping? It's because your diaphragm muscle is spasming and it's making you hiccup. And there's
Just drink it.
It's got to all that. Look, Kelly, my lip is so big that it comes to it. Stop it! Drink it, motherfucker! I can't. It sucks so bad. Drink it!
This is working, Kelly. Good luck.
Kelly, it's sucking to my lip.
Don't drown.
You're gonna drown her.
I know CPR just in case.
That's
I
the
got
wrong
you.
way, jackass.
Why you put it on the floor? What the fuck?
Do you still have hiccups?
That might be over
She
by
ain't
now.
got no water in her mouth yet.
Yeah, but she's been doing this for fucking 10 minutes now. I mean, she why are you trying to make her drink?
I don't think it works.
What the hell? It's sucking to
How
my
the
lip.
fuck are you
Just
gonna-
drink it. Shut up and drink
Hey,
it.
guess what? Gravity doesn't work that way, you
Peer
guys.
pressure is a mother.
We learned that.